What's going on, guys? Welcome back. The 8th of October. Going to look here at the Aerodrome finance chart. We'll drop into a couple other charts and we'll wrap this video up. So we got some selling yesterday in the markets. Tuesday, the markets sold off pretty well. Bitcoin was going straight up for multiple days, which is not sustainable. So to see a pullback is very normal. And of course, the Aerodrome finance chart just follows suit, not bucking that trend when we get a multi-$1,000 sell-off in Bitcoin. So we were looking for support on the downside. We spoke about basically at the top end of this range, which is like 109. We ended up closing a bit lower. We closed, let's see here. We closed at 108, which actually isn't that bad. We hit a low of 107. Today's very, very quiet so far. We'll see, obviously, how this plays out. It would be good if we get a pretty quick recovery here back above, we'll call it 109. That would be a nice, that would be showing us that that area held as market support. It's just the upper end of this range here that was broken to the upside on the 2nd of October, which was last Thursday. So that's what we have here. If these markets don't recover, quickly, I guess within the next couple days, and the pressure continues, there's a good chance we're heading back down here to the lower end of this range, which is right around $1 to 99 cents. That really wouldn't be good. But anyways, until we cross that bridge, let's see if support is going to hold here around this 109 area. We got to get back above it. Right now we're trading at 108, so close enough. We'll look at a couple charts here in a second. You can see the market struggling here to get above the overhead supply from back in the middle of September, right around this 120, 122 area, and we put in a lower low, which is unfortunate. Again, we're not recovering too quick here this morning, but we'll give it some time. We'll give it some time and see what happens here. Markets are some weird things happening here. We got Bitcoin running, and maybe that's why we're not seeing alts at the moment take off. Maybe we need to see some rotation down the road at some point. Time will tell. But it's the games, it's the whipsaw games they're playing here. So that's what I'm watching, guys. I would like to see the market back above 109. If we start to fold here, there's a good chance we're heading back down to basically $1.99. All right, where are we going next here? Let's go take a look at. I'm going to show you an Ethereum chart. What I don't like about this chart is this candle, yesterday's candle. This is a bearish engulfing candle. Now, I'm not saying that the breakout that has begun has failed because of this candle, but this might be a warning sign that this, again, needs more time. We saw a bearish engulfing candle back here. Led to a couple days down. Big up day. Choppy. Market put in new lows. We rally. Just don't like this candle. Again, doesn't mean the market's not going to continue its breakout, but it's just something to keep in mind that it could be flashing some warning signs. If we go over to Bitcoin, I think we saw this in Bitcoin going back. We did. So Bitcoin, it could be a similar date. I'm not sure. Bitcoin had a bearish engulfing candle here on the 14th of August. After basically, looks like making a new high. The next day was a bearish engulfing candle, and this market faded, put in new lows, lower high, higher low, and then went on to rally again here into new highs. So it's just a warning sign that, hey, this market might not be ready to go yet. As far as Bitcoin, yesterday was not a bearish engulfing candle. Why? We didn't make a new high. We make a new low. Yes, close on the lows, pretty much. Today, though, we are off to a decent start. We are up a little over $1,000. We have a higher low. We have a lower high. But at least we don't have new lows yet for the day for Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance continuing to drift higher at 59. I think that's it for the charts. Fear and greed's at 55. Surprised it's not lower after yesterday's sell-off. And the Altcoin season index is at a 54. And that's that, guys. That's going to wrap it up here for this Aerodrome Finance video. Again, back above 109. A close above 109 is good. If this market starts to sell off aggressively today, there's a good chance 99 and $1 is coming back for Aerodrome Finance. But Bitcoin's looking pretty good at the moment. So, hey, let's hope that doesn't happen. If it does, all you long-term holders will get some better pricing. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Of course, not financial advice. Go ahead and join us here if you are not yet a subscriber. Pretty close to that 6,500 subscribers, just a couple away. But for some reason, can't quite get there. Must be the times in the market. You guys have a great day.